Hi guys, well welcome back to Kit Car Direct and MK Sportscars. It's exciting times because it's Winner Sim. It's the draw, the live draw that we are doing now to see who gets the lucky number. So what we're going to do now, guys, is hand over to Neil and he's going to show you all the tickets. So thanks to all the entrants that have gone out there. Quite a few, wasn't there?
Yes, there was.
Quite a few.
So thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, for entering that. But you're going to love what we're going to do. And we're going to do a little number generator. So I'm going to hand over to Neil now.
So just to prove that we are doing this completely random, we've got our random number generator here all set up and I'm going to push the button. Hopefully this is the right button, Lewis. And it is not. Okay, so I'm going to show you the list of entries. I'm going to scroll down this list. So there we are, there's everybody that's in the list. With
well over 200.
All the names, order numbers and everything, just so you can see that it's all fully legit and we're doing what we need to do. So scrolling up through this list, lots of people have made multiple entries, so that's good. Thank you very much. Appreciate that.
Got to be in it to win it.
You certainly have. Okay, here we go.
Right.
So
let's get to the number generator.
So we're going to do a dummy run. First of all, so this is our dummy run. So I'm just going to press the spin to win. Here we go. So, oh, it's tension. It's like the lottery, isn't it?
It's like, here we go. And the lucky number is...
So, and the lucky number for our dummy run, just to prove, is 112. So, this is the run. Right, here we go.
Spin to win.
Hopeless with it.
Spin to win.
Spin to win is very professional what we're doing here. And we're away. So the winner is coming. Big drum roll.
Oh God.
Who's it going to be?
The lucky winner is
208.
208.
So
who is 208?
Let's go to our winning sheet. We'll go down to 208. Oh, it's right near the bottom. It's going to be somebody who's
30, 40, 50,
Who's it going to
60s. Be? Blimey, there is a lot.
There is a lot. So if you see your name going past, apologies, sorry about that. You know, you
thank you for the entrance.
It's Whitehurst.
Whitehurst.
I think I know who that is.
Has he got a Z-Tech car?
I think that's the boy with a Z-Tech car and a simulator.
We'll make the call now. Let's do that live, guys.
He's got to pick up within 5 rings and say, make me
Otherwise we go a spin again.
We spin again. No. Right.
You need to top up to make this call.
Oh, no. Right, here we go, guys.
Here we go.
See if we get an answer.
He's not going to answer now.
Vodafone voice.
No!
A few moments later.
Hello, Mark speaking.
Hello, Mark. It's Neil from MK Sportscars. How you doing?
I'm fine now. How are you, sir?
Yeah, not so bad. Not so bad.
Cool.
Yeah. Did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah, not bad at all, mate. Yeah, not bad at all. It went really well, really. Usual celebrations.
Jolly good.
Drink too much to eat, as you do, you know.
Excellent, excellent. Well, look, the reason for the call is you entered our simulator competition, didn't you?
I did, yes.
Well, I'm pleased to say that you are the lucky winner.
Congratulations.
Of the sim. So,
awesome.
Yeah, big round of applause. We're just filming this now for the video out. So yeah.
So you are live, I'm afraid.
Yeah, you're live. So
Great. I swear then.
Where are you at the moment, Mark? Are you in the office or something?
I'm in my office at work, yeah.
Brilliant, because I want you to stand up and shout out, I'm a modern classic sports car sim winner.
I'm a modern classic sports car sim winner.
Excellent, no worries. All right, well, look, we'll be in touch to try and organise you to come and collect it, and then we'll go from there.
Right, that's it, guys.
That's it.
Winner Sim is over. Congratulations to Mark. Awesome job. And that's it. And we will catch you on the next time with MK Sportscars and Kit Car Direct. Like, share, subscribe, and we will
catch you next time.
Catch you next time.